Building better sentences by starting with a subordinate clause, improving your verb choice, changing the noun, and adding an adjective. I went inside the house. Not a very interesting sentence. In fact, rather boring. Let's see if we can rebuild it and make it more exciting. We'll begin with a subordinate clause. That's better. It's given our reader a little bit more information. As the clock struck 12, I went inside the house. That's a good start. What now? I know. Let's improve the verb choice. We've used the word went. Not a great verb choice, that. What else can we use to describe somebody going inside the house? Crept. Yes, that's made it a little bit more interesting. As the clock struck 12, I crept inside the house. It's already much better. What shall we do now? I know. Let's change that noun. The word house. Yes, mansion is a lot more specific. As the clock struck 12, I crept inside the mansion. For our next step, let's describe the mansion. We'll add an adjective before the noun. Oh, that's a great choice of vocabulary. Derelict means old and run down. As the clock struck 12, I crept inside the derelict mansion. So we've done a great job with our sentence rebuilding. We've gone from this simple sentence, I went inside the house, to the more complicated, as the clock struck 12, I crept inside the derelict mansion. And we've made these improvements following 4 easy steps. First, we started with a subordinate clause. Next, we improved our verb choice. Third, we changed the noun. And finally, we added an adjective. So why don't you go about rebuilding these sentences? Pick a sentence and then fix it. Start with a subordinate clause. Improve the verb. Change the noun. And finally, add an adjective.